Hi there, welcome to One Two Step. In this video, I am going to show you how to sign up for Chase Bank account. To do that, open up any web browser. In this video, I'm going to use Google. After opening up a web browser, on the URL bar, type in www.chase.com. After clicking that, it will lead you to the official page of Chase Bank account. Now, in here, you can see a sign in button, and below that, there is a not enroll, sign up now. Click on that. After that, you will land up on a sign up page. And if you scroll down a bit, and there is an option called tell us more about you, or which type of account would you like to prefer, access online. So there are three options: personal, business, and commercial. Choose whichever you prefer. And after that, in the second option, there is account card or applicant number. Type in your account card or applicant number, and in the third, type in your social security number. And in case if you do not have a social security number, then click on no social security number. And in case of social security number, it will ask your date of birth. After typing in your birth date, then the last option here is to type in your username. Make sure your username has at least 8 characters, and which consists of at least one letter and a number, and must not contain any special characters like asterisk, and division sign, and so on. After filling up the form, click on Next. And after that, they will ask you your email address, phone number, and also you will be allowed to set a password. And after doing that, you will create your account on Chase Bank. So that was the process of creating a Chase Bank account. If you find this video helpful, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we could notify you with our newest uploads. For now, thank you for watching.